Hey world, it's Mark here from Radique Audio. Just sharing with you our latest product, our Radique Audio Bridge Connectors. These come in sets of 4. They are color coordinated and they give you a nice easy way to dress up your speakers, or alternatively to replace the bridges if you've lost the bridges for your speakers. So they're very simple to install. They don't require any tools. And I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how to install a pair right now. So this is a Monitor Audio bronze speaker. Nice speaker actually. And the installation is really simple. Unscrew the nut. At the end we're going to be using a spade connector. Spade clips in very easily. And then we insert the banana plug at the other end and boom, we're in business. Same thing on the other side. Spade goes in. Nice and tight. And that's a complete installation of a set of Radique Audio Bridge Connectors. Now, the beauty of these connectors, you can of course play with the angle depending on what you like visually, but the beauty is that they provide you easy access to connect your existing speaker cables either via the banana plugs or via spades. So if you've got speaker cables terminated with spades, super easy. Loosen the nut at the banana plug end. Insert your spade connector and tighten that up, and that gives you your connection out to your amplifier. Or if you are using speaker wires terminated with banana plugs, simply insert the banana plug into the other end. So you've got versatile connectivity options. These are really nice quality. They're high conductivity copper conductors inside. Lots of nice finish and trim. And we've got these selling on all of our platforms, including our own website, radique.com, our Etsy store, our Best Buy Canada store, Audio Mart, Kijiji, and Facebook Marketplace. So all of our platforms have these for sale. We're selling this full set of 4 for $145 Canadian. Of course, it's quite a bit less expensive for our American customers or customers elsewhere in the world paying in US dollars. And like all of our Radique Audio products, we include a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty on these. So we're quite confident that you will like them. In fact, we hope that you love them. And for more Radique Audio content, please like and subscribe. Bye, world.